Hello everyone, this is Tom from EveryStepPhysics.com, EveryStepCalculus.com. A physics problem regarding a incline or ramp. And let's do it. Physics to get to my main menu. And we could go either acceleration, because it asks for acceleration, which we can go to there, here, or we can go down to ramps and inclines, generally on big subjects like ramps and inclines and pendulums and maybe collisions and path of objects, trajectories, stuff like that. You go to if you see something like that, you go right to that in the menu. You can go to what's asked for. In this case, it asks for the time that it hits the ground and also the velocity that it hits the ground, or whatever it asks for. So we're going to scroll down here to, you can hold the second button down here, the second, and then press the cursor down here to go screen by screen on your titanium. I have to use the cursor here, this arrow, to maneuver on the simulator here. So I'm going to choose here ramps, incline. And it's objects, not spheres. It's an object, a box on the ramp. And we're on an inclined surface, we're not on the horizontal surface. And we're going to choose, what's given here is theta, distance, and time in the problem. So we're going to choose number 5 here. We're going to enter the distance, which is 15 meters. You have to press alpha before you enter anything in these entry lines here. Alpha 1 5. And I give you conversions, so this one says meters, so we can choose number 4 there. There's no conversion because everything is converted to meters in calculus, or seconds, etc. So time, we're going to choose alpha 2.5 seconds. And we're going to enter the angle, which is 36.9 given. Alpha 36.9. I have to go slow because the simulator keeps up with me then. I always show you what you've entered. Here's 36.9 for theta, 15 meters for the distance, and t is equals 2.5 for the seconds. Say it's okay, we can change it if we want. Acceleration is this formula right here, if it's not given anything else. Generally, acceleration is the force, the net force divided by the mass, which is Newton's laws. But in this case, it's this formula here, and 4.8 meters per second squared. Now we're going to use this same thing, and a lot of professors might just put 4.8 down there, but you need to have a force, like I said, in Newton's formulas. And so we use 1 for the mass and then 4.8, so it comes out to the same, except it's a force. And so now we have the force here, which is really a net force divided by the sine of theta, etc. And here's the answer, 7.9944 meters per second squared. Pretty neat, huh? EveryStepPhysics.com. Go to my site, buy my programs, and pass physics. It's a tough course, so don't fool around it. Get my menu and get my physics menu, and you'll do fine. Have a good one.